Hey guys, Tiki Kev here. Hey, once again, I am looking for help in my shop. Now, I make a lot of my posts, it's just words, and I try and explain what I'm actually looking for. But I honestly don't think the just use of words come across the way they need to. So I'm going to make a video and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm looking for because a lot of you guys have made comments on my posts, and I really appreciate everything you guys say and everything you guys write, but I don't think the words just come across. So I had somebody suggest an old folks home and a retired guy maybe needing something to do. That's not going to work here. And I know a lot of you have said, oh, go to the tech schools, hire, a high school kid for the summer. That's not going to work here. I am looking for someone full time that can help me not necessarily build the tiki bars, which you see here in the background. I'm going to turn this around in a second. But I need to teach somebody to build bar stools, learn how to build the roofs, learn how to get up on the roofs and thatch the roofs. That's what I'm looking to teach. I don't need just temporary summer help. I need full-time help, somebody younger. I'm going to be 60 in July. There's no way I'm teaching somebody my age to go up on a roof and dethatch and rethatch a roof. That's just not going to happen. So I need somebody younger that I can teach and that I can mold to do things the right way and guide them and make it a long time career for them. So let me turn this around just so I could give you guys an example of what I build here. Hang on a sec. Okay, guys. So here is one of my bars. This is a common size. This is a 10 by 8 tiki bar. This thing weighs about 800 pounds. Or I'm sorry, 1,800 pounds. So this one does come apart in multiple pieces because it's too big to transport. But there's a lot of heavy lifting that goes on here. I have timelines. So having someone retired come in and just kind of dilly-dally help in the shop, that's just not going to work. And I appreciate everybody's suggestions, but I think making this video will make things more clear. Here's another thing, and there's a lot of traveling too. To give you an example, again, this bar here, this one's going to New Jersey. This bar here that I started the other day, this one's going to be going to, where's this one going? Oh, this one's going to North Carolina. And then I have a similar bar this size here, which we're taking up to Michigan. Plus, I have a lot of other work because I've been doing the tiki bars now for 25 years. So we have a couple tiki huts we got to build yet, which involves traveling and carrying heavy lumber, big pressure treated poles. I mean, some of the poles by themselves weigh 250 pounds. So these are some of the bar stools that we make, and I need somebody to help in the shop with that. But again, if you're in my shop, we all need to travel as a team to go to all these different locations around the country. So, and this is my tiki hut here. Okay, this was built 10 years ago, and I'm getting ready for a rethatch. But I can't send a 60-year-old man, a 65-year-old retired guy up on that roof to dethatch. I'm still doing it because I just haven't found anybody interested enough to want to do the work. And then once that gets dethatched, then we rethatch it. So that's just some of the projects that we have going on here. So I hope this isn't meant to criticize anybody because I really do like all your suggestions. This is just made so everybody can get a better understanding of the help I'm looking for. Because temporary help, somebody that's retired, it just won't work here. I need I need young blood that I can teach and that can drive and that can help me move and lift and reassemble and install all this stuff around the country. So keep your suggestions going, but I kind of hope this helps. And I'd love to hear your comments either way. All right, thanks guys from the Tiki Kev shop, Tiki Kev out.